you sleeping na?
I'll add more sa regulation.
You listen to the teacher, okay?
Okay, so personally, I also have my rules and regulation. Sa ako lang nga, sa ako it's just two. First, when I speak, you listen. Okay? When I speak, you listen. Kaya, it's very disrespectful if I keep on repeating the wala ka kanina. Okay? I see it as a disrespectful thing if sige mo kaya wala kanina. Okay? And the last key is cooperate. When
Do not sleep, okay?
Okay, what's your idea?
Do not sleep.
Okay. Feel kayo. Kailangan makakawaka kayo. Okay? Kailangan ka makabro sa confidence, right? So, practice. Tutor, answer. Tutor, answer. Okay? So, sa personality development, which is next Sunday, daghan tayo kung I will always pass microphone to everyone. Para mag-practice mo, especially in public speaking. Okay? I will also teach you public speaking and how to hold a microphone, looking at mo kanang hulaan. The way you hold the microphone, by the way,